Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. Oh, that flag there needs to be pulled down. Anyway, I've got a Porsche 996 that I removed the engine out and done a lot of work on the engine to make it oil leaks and things like that, to get it back to normal. A few hoses, pump, and other stuff, spark plugs and all that. But what I want to show today is because I'm doing the actual rams, I stripped it down, and I was going to do it before, but I wanted to do it last because I wanted to make sure the engine is good first before I do that. So engine started running yesterday and didn't overheat. I topped up the level today, put up in the air, double check again, and there is no coolant leak or oil leaks from the car, which is really good. So I'm very happy about that. But today I'm doing the actual rams for the left hand side. The right hand side, it's okay, it's just the left hand side here. I got a better camera this time, so every time I move it's focusing. So before I had a really old camera phone, but now updating. But I just want to show you guys, if you're actually checking the drain, have a look at this drain here. Look at that. That's a really bad leak from the ram. As soon as you fill it up with oil, it just goes down instantly. Alright, so if you're wondering what is this little pipe here doing here, that little pipe connects to here. Bear with me. Take the pipe out. See that? See that hole there? Not a hole, but see that little pipe protruding through the wall? That's where that pipe connects to. And look at that, it's already broken. So I'm going to go and get another pipe. You can just use another, this is like a electrical pipe, if you ask me, like a wiring pipe you can buy from Bunnings. So I'm going to go to Bunnings and get one and cut it a bit longer. Never been connected, so this car must be leaking water inside this cabin here because that's not connected. So let's have a look at the other side. Doesn't matter, this I'm going to pull the trim off because I already pulled that trim off there. I'm going to pull this trim off anyway. I can't trust. Someone's been there before. And they probably accidentally hit the pipe not knowing where that pipe goes to. But that's the drain of the 996 cabrios. Which is the same as a drain on the actual, a little bit different on the actual coupes, but roughly the same area. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Hopefully I'll finish this one here today, and then I can operate the roof and then get it back to normal. Maybe tidy up here, clean up a little bit more there, and make sure you put the rag there at the back here if you're doing one of these. So sort of put a rag there like that, and the rag will hold this on a circle like a curve. You can put a PVC pipe or a rag. I use a rag, otherwise you'll crack this plastic here. Alright, it's really hard plastic. So what I usually do, I usually use some kind of cream I put on it to make it softer later on and last longer. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.